everyone, my name is Robin Hood, and today I'm going to teach you how to steal from the rich with a straight face, and I'm kidding. I'm going to be teaching you in 5 easy steps, hopefully, how to make this adorable paper boat. And I am an artist, I make big sculptures, and so obviously this is the first step to honing in your craft and coming up with your artistic vision. So I'm going to take this hat off because it's really loud and it's annoying me. But a byproduct of the paper boat is that you might end up with this if you get fed up of folding your paper. So what you will need is paper, and that is it. How wonderful. I'm using some XL whatever newsprint because I have it and I love it, and you end up with giant things. So let's go. First, step 1. You are going to open your pad and you are going to tear out a sheet of paper. And I did that earlier so that I wouldn't look silly tearing out a sheet of paper, but I messed it up. But it doesn't matter. And you can use any size of paper you like as long as it's in a rectangle, because I'm not teaching you how to make it from a square because I don't know how. So here we go. You have your paper, right? Second step, you are going to fold it in half, like that. And then you are going to make your little triangles in the center. You can see that, right? And make sure you're scoring your folds. I was also a printmaker once upon a time, and I had a professor who yelled at me for not using a bone folder. So here we are, Professor Das. I'm sorry I don't have my bone folder with me. So you have your little triangle, right? It's almost a hat, not quite. All part of step 1 is making this hat. So you're going to take these little rectangular sections that you have right here, and you're just going to fold up. Wow. Okay, you're going to fold up again. And if you want to stop here, that is so fine, because look at that. I now have 2 hats, Robin Hood. So I'm going to put that one here, and I'm going to take the one that I made earlier, because this is Art Attack. And next step, this is something that you're going to do fairly often in making a paper boat, so pay attention right here. You're going to take your hat, you're going to pinch it from both sides. I think this is step 2 or 3, whatever I've said. And you're going to pull it, and it's going to make this thing. So you see that? It's just go, boop, 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 just like that. And you're going to have this beautiful little diamond shape, or a square if you hold it the other way, but it's a diamond. This is the way that you want it. And you're going to flatten it, and you're going to crease it. And from here, as part of this step 3, you're going to fold up in half each side like that. So you saw what I did. I went down, up, just like that. Crease. Once again, it's like a little Robin Hood hat. So stop here if that's all you want to do. And you're going to do that thing again, right? You're going to just like that. And you're going to open, close, just like a little accordion. You can do that right there. Just as smoothly as I'm doing it right now. And the marvelous thing about paper boats is that I made this one a while ago with an extra couple of steps. But if you at this moment decided that you wanted a paper boat, all you would do is pinch at the top edges right here. You see that? And fold. Wow. So this could be the end of it. You have a big boat. And you have a little boat, and I'll show you how to make the little boat as some bonus steps. So let's take that back in. You have this, right? We're here, you're with me. So you're going to put it back down, and you're going to do the same thing. Again, it's an incredibly repetitive thing. Fold. Fold. Oh, it gets really complicated. Now I really wish I had my bone folder. You were right, Dean Das. Okay, so we have our little hat again. Wow. And you're going to do the same thing, right? You're going to do this accordion. Bam. And now, bam. Ooh, almost. Okay. Bam. There we go. 2 equally sized paper boats, because this is one I made earlier, so that I would have it as my cute little background right here. And you can just keep going. This is the marvelous thing about using a giant piece of paper. I'm using 18 by 24 right now. But you could use your newspaper. Is that you can just like keep going forever. You just whoop, This is going to be a mess. And fold, and do it, and go, and everything's tearing apart. But oh, look at that. We have just a tiny little kind of ripped sailing boat. And there you have it, folks. In less than 5 minutes, some boats, some hats, and a lot of paper. Tune in next time.